Okay, so we have run 2 tanks of fuel through here. It's more than happy to suck the fuel all the way through the line. About 20 minutes a tank at the current throttle setup. And the latch here is something I'll have to take a look at and try to get better action out of. Because as we saw, and I've shown before, there's not a lot of motion in the governor to get that detent in and out of the way under the collar there. So we have to make sure that that space is as tiny as possible. And I think that right now I have the 2 washers that are on there kind of angled the wrong way, and I need to make sure that they are a more proper latch shape so that they'll catch better. But I'm glad that the ET6 is still running, and we'll have to keep working on that little latch area to see if we can get it to work better.